Hello, hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Talk Angel, the podcast where you listen, learn, and speak English naturally, without pressure and without fear. I'm Angel.
And I'm Liam. How is everyone doing today?
Fine, Liam. How is your morning?
My morning was slow.
Slow in a good way or slow in an I don't want to leave my bed way?
Definitely the second one. I woke up, checked the time, told myself 5 more minutes, and suddenly it was 30 minutes.
That is the most honest answer.
I think February does that to people.
You're already starting the topic and we haven't even introduced it yet.
Oops.
But you're right. My morning was calm too. I woke up earlier than usual, made breakfast, took my time with everything.
That sounds peaceful.
It was. And that calm feeling is exactly why today's episode feels special.
I agree.
So today on Talk Angel, we're talking about February.
The month?
Yes, the month. But more importantly, how to talk about February in English naturally.
Ah, okay. Not just February is the second month of the year.
Exactly. That's correct English, but it's not living English.
So today you're the teacher?
Yes, I'll guide the listen.
And I'll be the curious student who asks too many questions.
Perfect. That's exactly what our listeners need. Real questions.
Great.
Let's start with something important. In English, months are not just dates on a calendar. They often represent feelings, seasons, moods, and experiences.
So February is not just month number 2.
Exactly. February is often described as the shortest month of the year, a romantic month, a quiet or emotional month.
Why shortest?
Because February usually has 28 days and 29 days in a leap year.
So if I want to sound natural, how do I say that?
Instead of saying February has 28 days, you could say February always feels so short.
Oh, that sounds very natural.
Yes, English speakers often talk about how time feels, not just facts.
Angel, why do people say February feels emotional?
Great question. February often comes after the excitement of January, New Year goals, fresh energy, motivation, and how January feels so long.
And then reality hits.
Exactly. The weather is still cold in many countries. Days may feel short.
So what kind of sentences do people use?
People say things like, February feels heavy. February feels quiet. February feels lonely.
Lonely?
Yes, especially because of Valentine's Day.
Because many people feel left out due to lack of romantic connection?
Yes.
I agree.
Here's something powerful in English. We often personify months.
Meaning?
We talk about them like people.
Oh,
Yes, you can say February is short and exciting.
wow.
Or February is a month of chill with love's warm rush and cozy days.
That sounds like poetry.
Exactly. English loves emotional language.
Weather is a big topic in English, right?
Huge. And February weather conversations are very common. It's like the month of mixed signals. In some places, it's winter's last chill, while in others, it's hot and dry.
Really?
Yes, some people may say February is still cold.
Why do people say still?
Because still shows emotion, frustration, tiredness, waiting.
So February is still cold sounds more natural than February is cold.
Exactly. Let's practice. I'll ask you a question.
Okay.
As teacher tone, how does February feel to you?
February feels like a fresh start, a chance to shake off the January blues and get cozy with loved ones.
That's perfect. Very natural English.
I'm impressed with myself.
You should be.
Okay, we need to talk about Valentine's Day.
Of course, February 14th is impossible to ignore.
Even people who don't celebrate it talk about it.
Exactly. In English, you'll hear phrases like, Valentine's Day is overrated. February is for lovers. Love is in the air.
What about single people?
They say things like, I hate Valentine's Day, or jokingly, February is expensive.
True.
February also affects daily routines. People say, I'm trying to stay motivated this February. February is expensive. I'm counting down to March.
So February is like a waiting room.
Yes, you can say that.
Okay.
All right, Liam. Now let's go a bit deeper. February is often called a transition month in English.
Transition, meaning change?
Yes, a transition is the process of moving from one stage to another.
So February is like the bridge.
Exactly. In English, people often say, February feels like a bridge between winter and spring.
Oh, I like that.
You'll also hear, February is a waiting month, or February feels in between.
In between what?
In between motivation and exhaustion, in between hope and tiredness, in between cold and warmth.
Wow, February is emotionally busy.
It is, and English reflects that.
Nice.
Let's slow down and focus on useful February vocabulary.
Yes, please. I like learning words I can actually use.
Good. Let's start. 1. Cold, freezing, chilly. It's cold this February. It's freezing outside. The weather is chilly.
What's the difference between cold and chilly?
Chilly is softer. It's cold but not extreme.
Okay.
Yes. Secondly, romantic, cozy. February is often described as romantic or cozy.
Cozy means comfortable, right?
Yes. Warm, safe, relaxed.
Can I say, nights in February feel cozy? Or, I love cozy February evenings?
Sure you can.
Great.
Here's a very honest February word. Draining.
Meaning it takes your energy?
Exactly. February feels draining. I'm exhausted this February.
That feels very real.
Let me tell you a short story, Liam.
I'm listening.
Imagine someone waking up in February. The alarm rings, it's still dark outside. They sigh, they sit on the bed, they say, it's only February.
I've said that before.
Exactly. That sentence alone tells us a lot. It shows tiredness, waiting, time moving slowly.
So even short sentences can carry emotion.
Yes, that's natural English.
People complain about time a lot in February.
They do. You'll hear things like, February is dragging, or why does time fly so fast?
But it's actually the shortest month.
Exactly, and that's the irony.
English is funny like that.
Let's practice again. I'll give you a sentence and you say it with feeling. I'll say, February feels short.
February feels short.
Perfect. Intonation matters.
So English is not just words, it's voice.
Exactly. Another thing, February is often a month of reflection.
Looking at your life?
Yes, people think about goals, relationships, direction, progress.
Okay.
Yes, then say, I'm rethinking my goals this February. Or, February makes me reflective.
Reflective, meaning thoughtful.
Correct.
Any slang words connected to February?
Yes, informal English includes phrases like February blues, winter blues, cuffing season.
Winter blues means sadness?
Yes, low energy, low mood.
Okay.
Let's do a mini dialogue. How's February treating you?
Honestly, it's been rough, but I'm hanging in there.
That's excellent natural English.
Okay, Angel, the lesson is almost over. What are you doing after we finish recording?
Honestly, I want something warm. Maybe tea, maybe soup.
Very February of you.
Exactly. February activities should be gentle.
I think I'll go home, take a shower, and do absolutely nothing.
And that's valid.
February gives us permission to slow down.
You know, Liam, I think February teaches us patience.
Yeah, it teaches us to sit with ourselves.
And that's something English learners need too, patience.
Learning English is like February.
That might be the deepest thing you've said today.
I agree.
All right, let's recap everything we learned today.
Yes, please, recaps help a lot.
Today, we learned how to talk about February naturally in English, using emotions, weather, time, and common vocabulary.
We also practiced Valentine's expressions informal slang, and speaking with real emotion.
And we learned that February is not boring, it's meaningful.
Exactly.
To everyone listening, don't rush your English.
Speak slowly. Learn gently.
Yes, if you enjoyed this episode of Talk Angel,
Please like the episode, subscribe to the channel.
and share it with a friend who's learning English,
Your support helps us grow.
and helps us keep creating calm, helpful English content.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Until then, take care of yourself.
And take it one step at a time.
Bye for now.